friends, today I am in Asus exclusive store in Marathalli, Bangalore. Today we are unboxing Asus ProArt StudioBook 16. This is exclusively for YouTubers, editors, content creators and gamers also. Let's unbox this.
Hello friends, welcome to LabTel. In our channel you will get informations about brand new laptops, refurbished laptops and services. Today we are unboxing Asus ProArt StudioBook 16. This beautiful laptop comes in a matte black dark box. You can see the MRP here. MRP is 2,78,990 rupees. If you visit your nearest laptop store, you will get good deals on this laptop. In this box, first you will get a beautiful laptop bag for your laptop with ProArt badging. You can see the badging here. With this laptop, you will get 240-volt big brick size charger. You can see here, it's really a big size charger. Inside this strong, hard, beautiful box, you will find your Asus ProArt StudioBook 16. This laptop built with metal aluminum, a very good build quality. Let's see the first look. In this laptop, you will get world's first 16 inches 4K OLED display with thin bezels. With Windows Hello support, you will get hand-free infrared facial login. But for your privacy, if you want to close webcam, you will get a physical shutter button. Let's check the configuration of this laptop. In this laptop, you will get RTX A3000, especially for creators, RAM 32 GB, up to 64 GB upgradable. In this laptop, you will get 1 TB storage, up to 4 TB upgradable. Most of the laptops have 45 to 50 watt battery, but in Asus ProArt StudioBook, you will get 90 watt battery. Because of that, you will get at least 6 to 8 hours battery backup. This laptop tilt up to 160 degree. Let's check the ports. Left hand side you will get a Kensington lock and one 3.2 USB port, and you have a power port. And next is HDMI 2.1. You will get 2 USB Type-C ports this side. And the other side you will get a SD card slot and 3.5 mm jack, one more USB type A and also RJ45 port. This laptop weighs around 2.7 kilograms. In Asus ProArt StudioBook, you will get a Asus dial, You can assign any function with this. If you are a content creator, then you can use it to make adjustment in timeline or size adjustment in 3D modeling. Let's check the keyboard. It's a full size keyboard, good spacing. In this keyboard you will get a extra key. You can assign any function with this according to your requirement. Let us check the trackpad. Quite big trackpad you will get in this laptop with 3 function buttons for creators. Because of the big size of trackpad, you also can use a stylus with this for the detailing and designing purpose. For the airflow, you will get a big air place in the bottom side. All 3 side air vents also available. Because of the little rise in the bottom side, air easily flows. Friends, this laptop is especially made for creators, but you can use it for gaming also. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.